Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Taurus, there's a lot of noise here today, but we have to continue the readings. I do not have control of this space, okay? So therefore it's a shared environment. So if you can't hear me talk, oh well, okay? Anyways, let us go ahead and go into your channel messages, Taurus. Your channel song is New Year, New Year, the Appleton Dream Weekend. It's a new year. I will see them there. See them, you're doing fine this morning? See them. So what if me want for party? What if me want for party? Live your life before you grass it. Me feel the vibes, I know me charge it. Me have a run a vibe. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. The vote unanimous. Dance all you miraculous. Dance all you save my life. I me tell you why. Want me if me want for party. Want if me want for party. Live your life before you crash it. Feel the vibes, you know me charge it. So if you exactly Taurus, if you want for party, what is happening if you want to have fun? Just because you want to have fun and other people want to take life seriously, what's the problem? What is the problem? If you want party? What happens if you want to be single? What happens if you don't want to get married? You don't want to be someone's wife? What happens if you don't want to be a mother? What happens if you do not want to follow societal norms and do what society wants you to do? So what if me want for party? Right, Taurus, if you live your life before you lose it. Remember 100 years we get. I keep telling people we get 100 years to live. And based on the evilness in our hearts and sicknesses all over, that kind of cut down for about 70. So life expectancy for anybody out there is 70. That's the first thing. So now you have 70 years to live. What if more party? You want to lock down the fucking dance? You want to shut down my shit because I want to party with the 70 years I have on this earth living? Jesus Christ, me gone 30 so far. So Taurus, me getting live your life before you crash it. Now this may include you making a decision that you feel like you'd never do in your life. Maybe you're going into a certain job or you're going to a certain building that you say, boy, what will my mom think? What will the community think? What will Tyler Perry think? Either way, I'm getting want me if I want party. I'm getting live your life for your life. It's your life, yours. You came out of your mother's vagina alone. You alone. And you will be burying in that grave alone. Your mother will not be buried with you. So your life, you have to live it. Anyways, we're going into your love reading. Love is real reading. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm getting want if more want for party. So if you want party, if you want to have fun, or if you don't want to take life seriously, you don't have to. It's your life. Nobody can tell you what to do with it. Nobody breathes for you, they don't think for you, and they do not beat your heart for you. Okay, great. So let's see what's in your love is real reading. Let's see, are you ready for love? We have the 8 of Wands. I'm getting you looking for love. You might be online. I'm getting you messaging a lot of people. Or you're talking to multiple men, multiple women at a time. I'm getting you, I won't say you're ready, but I'm getting you are seeking love. You're actively cooperating when it comes down to finding someone. Okay? I'm getting a lot of back and forth messages online. How will you meet them? We have the 10 of Swords. You're going to meet them after a bad breakup. Or I'm getting somebody's telling you that they just ended a relationship. Maybe somebody don't want a relationship right now. Them just want company. Them want something casual. I'm not sure if this includes monogamy, but I'm getting you meet them right after them come out of a tough situation. Now be careful because 8 of Wands, 10 of Swords will lead me that you're only talking to somebody online. So you need to be careful that somebody don't brainwash you or them lie to you. 10 of Swords is betrayal, and that's why you're going to meet them. It's either you're going to meet them after betrayal or they have been betrayed and that's how you go and meet them, okay? The Lover's characteristics, okay? What's their characteristics? that will draw you to them. We have the King of Wands. I'm getting somebody might be an athlete, someone smell good, them dress good, someone's very good in bed also. I'm getting someone has everything together. Is the king of, someone's a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Them have everything together. The only thing is, me getting is either them can't find love, don't know why, or me getting, maybe somebody personality is a turn off. Yeah, them have nice things, them smell nice, but me getting, you don't want to be in them company for long, or women don't want to deal with them. Because I'm getting someone looks this good. I'm assuming they have a lot of options, wouldn't they? But I'm getting every option turn them down. So, me getting, even though the person look nice, smell nice, established, me getting, is it that them don't know how to navigate themselves through dating, or me getting again, them can't find somebody loyal to them. I'm getting somebody, I don't know if them tall, but I'm getting somebody big, them bigger than you. Like your hand will be like this compared to their hand. I'm getting them smell nice, I'm getting somebody established. That's why I don't understand why is it that the Ten of Swords is here. Unless somebody is here to play mind games with you. Maybe you're falling for somebody, the only thing they want to do is go back and forth and play this mind game with you. Because I also feel like someone's trying to reach out to you, but you shoot them down. They might communicate with you and you shoot them down. And then they're looking like, did this bitch really shoot me down? Does she know who I am? I'm getting, he's trying to communicate with you online, but you shoot him down. Or you said no. So I'm getting he took it really bad. Maybe his ego got hit. All right. What this relationship will teach you, Ace of Swords, is going to teach you about being truthful, being honest. Or maybe somebody want you to move fast. Somebody feel like you take too long to make a decision. Maybe somebody feel like you feel like everybody's out to get you. What you're going to learn is the Ace of Swords. So you're going to learn that not to judge a book by its cover. Just because him have money don't mean him have confidence. And just because he has money and confidence, it doesn't mean he has a love of him life. You know, maybe you're accusing a man of having other bitches because you cannot understand how is it that he doesn't have anybody in his life. Getting the relationship is going to teach you to be patient. It's going to teach you to trust. It's going to teach you to not be intimidated just because of what somebody have. And it's also going to teach the other person that just because you have money, looks, and maybe you establish, it don't mean people aren't going to lie to you. And it doesn't mean that people want that type of lifestyle too. So somebody might be very honest with you about what happened to them in their last relationship. Maybe somebody's talking about their ex a lot, okay? I don't know how you feel about that, about people talking about them exes. Let me see what your messages are. We have enemy coming up first. Maybe their ex is your enemy. We have initiation ritual. We got guru. We got trust no one, and we got bears. I'm gonna leave it here, Taurus. Until next time, bye.